Okay, everyone, we're back. I reached up to 78 degrees, poured the dough out on my counter, cut it in 2 pieces, and now I'm gonna shape it. You wanna pull it out to a triangle piece after you flour your counter as best you can. Okay. One of these pieces I'm going to actually bake right now. Trying to pull this out a little bit. So I'm going to throw the bottom up, then do like a burrito fold like this. Fold this in on that side, and then you want to give the tightest roll as you can. There you go, as you're pulling it. Very good. Okay, that seems to be shaping nicely. Pinch your hands in real nice. Tuck it. And a nice little, there you go, that looks pretty good. Kind of drag it, tuck it in nice and tight, okay? Let me grab a piece of paper. I'll set this to the side because I'm gonna bake that right away, okay? Which normally you don't do. I just wanna try it. They say you can, so we're gonna try it. This one I'm gonna let bulk ferment overnight in the refrigerator. Stretch out the dough into a nice triangle. There's several ways you can shape this. Okay. You just kind of twist it all in, twist it all in. Again, roll it into a ball. Then you just drag it over your counter till you get a nice tight, you want a nice tight ball, okay? Nice and tight. That looks pretty good. Pop that bubble there. Drag some tension onto it. I don't think I get enough tension on mine. Okay, I think that's good. I'm just tearing the dough now. Let me grab my Vanitide, and we'll put this one in upside down and put it in the refrigerator overnight to ferment. It's stickier than it should be, really. It'll be fine though, you'll see. Now I'll cover that with another shower cap till tomorrow morning. Put it in the refrigerator, let it ferment overnight. Gives you a really good flavor, okay? Alrighty, so I'll put some parchment paper under it. Then I'm going to squirt it with a few squirts of water. Put it in the oven at 500. Here we go. That's going to make a nice loaf of bread. Score it. And I'll score it again in 7 minutes. Spray 10 sprays of water on it. Put it in, well, let me see. And then make sure, I have in my oven like cookie sheet or something underneath it in the next shelf so it doesn't burn, okay? Doesn't burn the bottom, and you want to put a lid on it now. We'll cook it for 7 minutes. We'll bring it out, rescore, then finish Baking it at 500 for another, I believe it's like 18 minutes, and then we'll take the lid off, reduce the heat to 440, bake it another 20 minutes or so until it's golden brown, okay? Let's see what we have. All right, in the oven for 7 minutes.